Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important topic related to HTML classes, that is how we can use multiple classes within a single element. Yes, this is the thing which sometimes might be difficult for someone to use or add this thing in their code. Okay, so to make it easy, what we will do, we will discuss it from the beginning. Like I'll show you why it is important for us to use multiple classes within a same element, and then one by one we will see the examples, benefits and many other things related to using multiple classes in a similar element. Okay, so but before starting the session, I just would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic, because as I mentioned, they all are connected with each other. Today we are talking about like how we can use classes, multiple classes, right? But prior to that, you should know what is classes, why do we need it, what are other basic concepts like tables, images and all these things, right? So basic things is like we are just continuing everything in a sequential manner. Okay, so let's start the session. So here you can see, if I talk about the code, it is quite simple. We have just added one title in the head section, then we have one heading, and then we have one question for all of you. And today's question is, why do we use classes in HTML? Okay, so you have to answer this question in the comment section, that why do we use classes in HTML, and those who will provide consistent correct answer will be spotlighted in the upcoming sessions for sure. Okay, so let's see the output of this current code. It is showing HTML by Sharmit like this. All right, now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to create one paragraph, because just to show you the demo, I need one paragraph, multiple paragraph. So let's create that. But okay, prior to that, let's add one heading as well. So I'll add heading. In heading we will mention that process to add multiple classes in same element. Okay, so this is the heading, second heading, which is shown here. Now we will add the paragraph which we will be using for the demo purpose. So here we can write sample records, sample record line, sample record for classes concept. Okay, so you can simply save it and just add one br tag here. Then you can copy it from here and just paste it multiple times. Okay, so this has been added. Now what we will do, we will save the code and refresh the browser. After refreshing it, you will see that it has been properly coming like a paragraph. Okay, so this is the first paragraph. Likewise, we can create multiple paragraph, because I want to show you everything in a detailed manner. So let's add 2-3 paragraph. Okay, all right, now let's understand the requirement. Requirement is that we want to apply some let me save this first. Okay, so I wanted to apply some property to this paragraph, but in categorized way. That means I want to keep all those properties which is related to font in one class, all those properties which is related to color in another class, and then both of these property I want to apply somewhere in both class, and somewhere in both element, means somewhere in different element and somewhere in the same element. Let me show you by doing it practically. So what we will do, in head section we will define one style tag. So style is added. Here we will mention the first class, for example a font property, then curly braces, and now you can apply the font size. Size would be, let's say, 40 pixels. Then we will apply font family. Family would be this one. Okay, then we will apply font weight. Here we can write 200. Alright, so let's save this and refresh it. So it is applied? No. Why? Because we have not applied this property yet, right? So let's apply the class here. Right here, class. In class we will write font property, then save it and refresh it. So you can see after a refresh it is applied. So this is the one thing which we were expecting, right? And remember one thing, this is a case sensitive thing. That means if you are using capital A, it should be different from the small a. It is not, it should be, it is different from the small a. All right. So we have applied the font property. Now it's time to add another class, and that would be color property. Okay. So let's add curly braces here. And here we will write color maybe white, then we will apply background color, it would be black. Let's save it. Now let's say if you want to apply this property also on the first paragraph, on second we can apply, right? We can directly go here and we can simply write here class, like this, class, and then the name of the class, which is class. What was the class? I think it's color. Yeah, so we can apply it like this. Okay, but what if we want to apply both the things, font property as well as color property? So yes, you can apply, and don't think that you can add class like this and you can provide the font property. This is not the right way, because it will not do anything, right? So what is the right way? The right way is to keep one space here, and then you can apply font property. Font is already there, sorry, it's color property. Now if I save it and refresh the code, it will come like this. So that means we have applied two types of classes to the paragraph 1. Okay, likewise, let's say if here I want to apply only one class, so I can simply go here and can write like only one thing, which is font property. So if I save it, so you can see as per the conditions we have applied the things. Like for the first one we have just applied the font, we have applied both things, font property as well as color property. For the second one we have applied only color property, and for the third paragraph we have applied only the font property. So as per the requirement, you can easily decide which class to be applied where. And the good thing is that you can apply all or multiple classes in a similar paragraph, or maybe in a similar element. Okay, don't it is not mandatory like for you to every time use it with paragraph. You can use it with any element. Okay, you can use with heading, title, or anything. Okay, so don't get confused that you are supposed to put it only with the paragraph. Okay, so this is the way through which we can apply property multiple classes in a same element. And if we talk about benefits, so yeah, there are many benefits, because now you can see we are applying multiple properties by categorizing the things into multiple classes. And another important thing is, like right now we have only two classes, but there might be possible there are multiple classes with multiple properties, right? So in that case, it will be very less time consuming if you are applying directly classes instead of writing everything again and again. Okay, because otherwise you are supposed to apply font property separately, color property separately, but this time we have just categorized the thing, and as per the requirement we are specifying it. If I want to apply only font property, I can apply that. If I want to apply color property, I can apply that. And if I want to apply both the things, that is also possible. Clear? So this is how we can utilize the HTML class property, or you can say the multiple class property in a similar element. Okay, so that's all from my end for this session. And now I request you to please do share your knowledge in the comment section for the question. And the question is, why do we use class in HTML? Okay, so like when you share your knowledge, it will also help you to recall the things, but it is also helpful for those who wanted to solve this issue and they are not aware of the actual reason. Okay, So yeah, I think now we are good to wind up this session for now. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Chat.